Step 4. Ready to film? Make sure you have a full battery and enough storage on your device. Look at the lighting around you. And sound is even more important. Think about background noise and make sure not to cover the microphone with your thumb. Look at your scene carefully. Do you want to remove a family photo? Or your sister's shoes from the background? If you want to include some simple editing, there are lots of great apps that are easy to use. As much as possible, avoid using other people's pictures from the internet. This can be a copyright issue. Besides, it can be more fun to make your own. If you don't want to edit, you can do a one-shot film. This means filming your whole story in one continuous take. Or you can use the shoot, pause, shoot technique. This means using the pause function, if you have that option on your device, to create different scenes. For a steady or hands-free shot, you can build a homemade tripod. Don't worry if you mess up. You can film 3 or 4 or even 20 times. Filmmaking takes a lot of practice. The good thing is that 60 seconds is really short, so doing another take only takes a minute. The next video will talk about some options for sharing your cell film.